Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have March, my little Korea bag. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so I just received March, my little Korea bag. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your bag to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, I have been starting to actually fall in love with this bag more and more every single month, so I'm so excited to see what is going to be inside March. They always send it in this little bag that you can reuse it for anything you would like, and inside is going to be all of the goods. So let's get everything out. All of the products in here are going to be Korean products. They are skincare, and they do put a little bit of makeup in here as well. So I like the combination of the products that you get inside this bag. So the first thing that we're pulling out is a deep clean foam cleanser. That is awesome. I always tell you guys the products that I use on a daily basis, I love to get, and I can always have them on backstock because it's something that I use on a daily basis. So this is a deep clean foam cleanser. And it says it's formulated with purifying baking soda and sparkling water that helps control excess oil with refreshing feeling. That's awesome. So there's that. Now we have, this says it's repair peeling pads. Okay. Skin calm and relax. Skin calm system for irritated skin. Let's get this opened. So that's what it looks like with the plastic off. It has the seal. And there are the pads inside. There's the whole stack of them. They're nice. Ooh. They're nice and moist. Just don't do that. I was just showing you they were nice and moist. They're not dried out at all. Never a dull moment now that I have a mess. That's just how it is. Okay, so then there's that. And again, this is a repairing peeling pad. So you have all of those little pads inside of there. Now that might have this mess. Oh, they do put in a sticker, which is really cute. So they do give you a sticker in the bag. And then here we have is a Dear Darling tint from Etude House. Etude House I've gotten a lot, and I've actually enjoyed all of the products that I've received. So this looks like, let's see. Dear Darling Water Gel Tint. Okay, so it's a water gel tint. That is what the packaging looks like. Ooh. And there's the color. Let's see. So it gives me a little tint of color if you don't put a whole lot on. And this would have came in a different variety of colors, because on this little paper, you can see there's some different color variations right there. So this would have been in a combination of colors. And after wiping it off, see, that is what's left because it is a tint as well. So then the next product, ooh, this is an ampule serum. There's the packaging. It says, it protects sensitive skin and keeps the skin hydrated with rose extracts with a wrinkling improvement. And that is what it looks like. So it is a very large bottle of the serum. You have the dropper. I was seeing if it kind of smelled like rose. I don't really smell rose. I smell something, but I'm not really smelling rose. And there's that. So you have a full bottle of the rose extract flower water serum ampule. You have a pair of socks. They've been putting in like a pair of random socks that are so cute. So here's like a little bunny, and then the actual like stomach is a different texture. It's like a little fuzzy, look. And then, oh, and the face too right there. How cute. So here's a pair of socks, and that is never on the paper. I think this is just a little additive bonus that they put in there for you. And then you have a face mask, and this is the one for this month right there. I love sheet masks. So that is everything that came in this bag, you guys. You have the sheet mask. You have a cute pair of socks. You have the ampule. You have the lip tint. You have the deep clean cleanser, foaming cleanser, the sticker, and then you have the peeling pads. that is everything that came in here. So what did you think of this month's box, you guys? Again, I'm loving this more and more, and I really like the fact that they do ask you questions. They have like a little questionnaire when you do sign up. So if you want a little bit of information about the company, I'll let you know right about now. I do have a code. Down below will be all of the information so you can go directly to their site. SheCrafty will get you 15% off. Now, since everybody has different skin types, what they do is their team will adapt your box based on how you answer the survey. So that's what I was starting to tell you is the survey. So they'll ask you different questions about your skin type. They'll ask you like what type of foundation color you use, your favorite lipstick color, lip tint colors, different colors and things like that. So then it'll be in your profile. So then when they go to make the bags that month, if they have the different variations or different colors, they go based off your profile to custom your bag. So I really do like that. You do kind of have a little customization with this box bag. You will get 5 to 6 Korean cosmetic products, and they're all 100% cruelty free. If you do 1 month at a time, it's $35. If you do 3 months, it brings it to $33. If you do a 6 months, it brings it to $32. And if you go to a full 12-month prepaid plan, it brings it to $29 a bag. They do ship worldwide. And again, SheCrafty will get you 15% off. So that is everything that I have for you today. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this bag? What are you thinking of the company? Again, I'm liking it more and more because of the products that it sends. And I like that you have a profile and they stick to that to help curate your own bag custom to the colors that you prefer. So I really do enjoy that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.